Hello everyone. In this tutorial I'm gonna show you how to adjust your Night Audit settings. Actually I should show you how to get in there to start with. So let's go to the main screen. You can do that by clicking on settings on the top right and then click on Night Audit on the left there, and yes, here we are. So there are three different options you can choose. Oops, I'm almost running out of battery. Anyways, you can choose three different options for Night Audit. One is prompting the Night Audit after a certain amount of time on the following day. What this basically does is that when the user logs in and if the user's date is behind what the actual date is. So for example, right now it says today is the June 6th, but really the selling date right now should have been June 8th. So I'm behind right now. What the Roomsy does is it prompts the Night Audit. It tells the user to run the Night Audit. You're behind the actual date, buddy. It does that automatically when user logs in. So just to give you an idea, so that you can better keep on track of being on the right selling date. For example, if I log in, as you can see, running Night Audit, the dialog, it pops up automatically when you log in. It says you're late, you're behind, would you like to run the Night Audit? I'm going to cancel it just because there's other things to show you. But yeah, that's what the first option does. And you can also set it for different times. So for example, if the user logs in after the 3 in the morning on the next day, then the dialog will pop up. So for example, it says it right here. If the selling date is set as January 1st, Roomsy will automatically prompt the run Night Audit on the January 2nd, 3 in the morning, telling you to run the Night Audit when you log in. And so I'm going to leave that on for now. And enable forced checkout. So what enable forced checkout basically does is if there's a customer that's supposed to check out on a certain day, it will check them out as you run the Night Audit. So let me save this setting and show you what happens. So you can see that William Ferguson in room 103 is supposed to check out on the June 7th morning. So let's see what happens if I run the Night Audit. I'm just going to log out again and log back in. And you can see that, okay, so here, if I run the Night Audit, it's going to change the date and check out the scheduled guests and charge all the staying guests. So let's run the Night Audit. It hasn't been processed. Okay, now William is supposed to check out tomorrow. I'm going to run the I'm just going to log out and run the Night Audit one more time. So now if I run this, William is supposed to check out automatically. So run the Night Audit. And there you go. William now has been checked out automatically. So that's what checking out guest automatically does for running Night Audit. Now let me just go back to, running out of battery here again. Let's go back to June 6th one more time, because there's one more thing I want to show you. Hopefully my battery lasts before I finish this demo. Enabling Night Audit for processing multiple days. Notice how last time I had to change or run the Night Audit twice, one for the June 7th and then one for the June 8th. But if I enable this feature, update it, basically what happens is that when I run the Night Audit once, it's going to process multiple days at once. So instead of doing it twice to get to June 8th, I just run it once and my date will become June 8th. So right now it's June 6th. I'm going to log out and I'm going to log back in. It's going to tell me right off the bat, it say, okay, your date is going to change to June 8th instead of June 7th. And it's going to check out everyone and does the same thing as last time. So run Night Audit. And there you go, it's been processed, and you can see that your date has been processed as the June 8th. And yeah, that's about it for Night Audit settings. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to call me. There's my phone number and our email address. And other than that, yeah, that's all. Thanks for watching, and we'll continue with the next tutorial. Bye now.